Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert paper in a HP Envy 6120E. And first of all, I'd just like to clarify, the tray at the top here is the output tray, so just extend this to hold the paper and stop it flopping around all over the floor. But to get to the paper itself, simply look for the little recess found on the underside here, and if you push against it gently, the tray itself will slide out. And when we take a look at it, we can see markers for the various paper sizes that your printer uses. And you can just adjust the slider until it meets the line for whichever size of paper you're looking to install, along with a couple of indications as to which side you put the paper in if you want to print to a particular side. As you can see, the corner is curled back with lines of print on the underside, so we're placing the paper face down into the tray. Make sure you get it underneath the guide. Adjust to whatever size you need and pop the tray back in. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.